Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to install and use AnyDesk to access remote computers. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to install and use AnyDesk. So let's get started. So guys, to install and use AnyDesk, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar AnyDesk and simply click on first link. And here you can see two options, download now and order now. So simply click on download now. So here you can see our setup starts downloading. So wait for it. So guys, here you can see our setup has been downloaded. So simply close this. Now open File Explorer. So guys, this is the setup. So simply right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. First I'm going to create an account. So guys, here you can see our AnyDesk homepage. So here it is written your address. So this is our address, means that our ID. So here it is written enter remote address. I have this ID. So other person also have similar ID. You have to simply enter that ID here in enter remote address, and then you can simply access that computer remotely. So this is the one click process by which you can access computer remotely. So guys, here you can see we have installed and use AnyDesk to access remote computers. So you can also install and use AnyDesk to access remote computers by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.